Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talks by Gaurav Sharma. Today we're going to talk about your home security system, the Ring cameras or the likes, right? Let's talk about the architecture of that. So we put sensors everywhere, right? Your front yard, backyard, garage, doors, windows, and those sensors, if anything bad happens, any intrusion happens, somebody opens the door, you get notified from your Ring app or whatever home security system that you're using. And so when you get notified about that, you go to that app, you look at what's going on, where it's going on, so that you can check on it and essentially address it, right? Now, imagine these sensors were all put in place, but every sensor had their unique separate app on your phone, so that for backyard you would go to a different app, and then for your front yard you would go to a different app, for a garage you go to a different app. You get the idea, right? Super cumbersome, not streamlined at all, big mess, right? If you think about it, that's how our firewalls are today. I mean, firewalls in the organizations are deployed everywhere, right? We have firewalls deployed in the cloud. We have them deployed in the data center. We have them deployed in a multi-cloud scenario. So when something happens, or when you want to make a change, you have to individually go to those applications and make those changes. And if something intrusion happens or security event happens, you have to toggle through different dashboards to get to find out where exactly the problem is, and then you address that. Sound familiar? And yes, obviously that's how the situation has been. To address that, Cisco has recently launched a firewall solution called Hybrid Mesh Firewall. It's a solution. I mean, if you think about it, what it basically does is, as the name suggests, Hybrid Mesh Firewall, what it does is, hybrid means it's covering all the firewalls that are deployed, whether the cloud or data center, anywhere you have those deployed. Mesh is basically the topology of how all these nodes are connecting to one common front end, and then from that front end you're able to do all the firewalling in your environment. Firewalling, cool term, right? So you go to that front end, and essentially you're creating policies for your cloud, for your data center, and that is that one go-to place for you to manage the overall firewall operation of your organization. So no more running to different dashboards and to find out where the problem occurred, and that's how you fix that. So how does this hybrid mesh firewall help? Well, obviously, if there's one place to go to configure and address your solutions, it just makes the life of the administrator a lot more easier, because now you have a more efficient and robust firewall policy for your organization. It's not individual products anymore. So you're able to go from that one front end, you're able to orchestrate that firewall policy, and you're able to push it out to different firewalls that are deployed at different places. Sounds cool? It sounded cool to me. And I think it's time to bring all those firewalls into under one hood, so that we're able to do a lot of firewalling in a better and efficient manner. If you want to learn more about hybrid mesh firewall, reach out to your accounts team and they'll hook you up. Thank you.